Hi guys, I'm Komomo. Thanks for watching. This is our inspection video of nail polish, so please check it out. I use Homei Weekly Gel. It is not a normal gel polish. For normal gel polish, you need gel remover, but you don't have to gel remover for this nail polish because it is peeled out naturally, but I wonder how long does it last. So from today I'll inspect this. You need only this polish and UV light or LED light. Let's start. Maybe you have to put this 2 or 3 times. Then I harden in the UV lamp for 2 minutes. It was hardened. Then I put on the left hand's nails. It smells bad, so please let the fresh air into the room. And I'm wearing a mask. Then harden the left hand too. Done! Look, it's so beautiful. It has a luster because it is a gel polish. And then I spend the days with this and start the inspection. Day 1, of course every nails are beautiful. Day 2, they are still beautiful. Day 3, no problem. Day 4, they are still okay. Day 6, my nails are growing, but the state of polish is okay. Day 8, some places are peeling off, but almost okay. Look, it lasted more than 2 weeks, but my nails are growing up, so I'll peel off by myself. I'm always using right hand, so some polish on my right hand's nails are peeling off. I'm going to peel by my nails. For example, such part is easy to peel off. Some parts are easy. Oh. One more. Some are easy and some are difficult to peel. But it's interesting. If it's difficult, I use this nail file. Then you can peel. Ta-da! Finally finished. But my nails are not beautiful, so I polished them with this Hello Kitty nail file. First this side, and next this. And I was able to remove them without remover. Nails removers are really strong, and some removers are bad for nails, so I think this is very good for your nails. And peeling slowly is better for nails. Well, the conclusion is that this weekly gel can last more than a week, but it depends on your situation. Anyway, this is my recommendation. Tips for Kawaii. These days I found Disney characters collaborated weekly gel in Disney store, so if you are interested, please check the Disney ones too. Well, that's all today. Thanks for watching. I'm making videos to enjoy Kawaii from Japan. So if you like, please subscribe my channel. And that's all. Thank you. See you. Goodbye.